Let's factor this trinomial where the coefficient is not 1, it's greater than 1. So we're going to use the rainbow method here. We're going to multiply 2 times this last number, -4. This is just a trick, so we're not going to write equals, but we're going to just convert this problem into a regular trinomial factoring problem. 2 times -4 is -8. And now we're going to factor normally. X times x is x squared. And the question is, what times what is -8? Let's try 8 and 1. We can see a +7 here, so we put the plus sign on the larger number. And the minus sign goes here. And so this is factored. But we're not done yet. There's a long story here. There's a number 2 here. We're going to divide by 2, divide by 2. This used to be u at the bottom. And you need to simplify your life before you're promoted. So 8 divided by 2, simplified, is actually equals to x plus 4. And this fraction 1/2 is already simplified, so we can promote the 2. So we have 2x minus 1. Now you're the CEO. And you factored this expression correctly.